So here are 4 things you can do to make your life easier at work. There's probably going to be like a different title, but same thing. So number 1 is to show that you're willing to learn and grow. And I would say that this is the most important thing to understand because that's the biggest thing that your employers want to see from you. If you grow yourself as a developer in the company, one, you'll get more respect from your coworkers. Two, you're going to be you're going to be given more responsibility. You're going to be able to do bigger and better things at the company, and you'll be able to get raises, get promotions, so on and so forth. And this isn't related to just the workspace. This is just related to you in general. You're going to want to learn more and more and more every day, so you can become better, and so you can have more opportunities, and so you can make more money, so on and so forth. There's so many things that come with just spending an hour or 2 a day out of work learning more, whether that's React, whether that's Vue, so on and so forth. So number 1, be willing to learn and grow. So number 2 is speed is everything. Speed is everything at work. And I'm not necessarily talking about programming. Of course, you're going to want to keep a steady pace and you want to get things out in a timely manner. But what I'm specifically referring to is replying to your coworkers, whether that's in the dev department, whether that's in marketing, whether that's wherever. If someone DMs you, if someone pings you, what you want to do is respond as soon as possible, because when you do that, you're going to have a more pleasant experience. You both are going to have a more pleasant experience. You don't want, you wouldn't want someone messaging you. You don't want to be messaging someone and then you wouldn't like when someone when you message someone asking for help and they reply 6-7 hours later. What you want to do is just reply as soon as possible, because when you reply as soon as possible, you build trust with your coworkers. Say, for example, if someone pings me asking me for help on a situation which is an emergency situation, I will reply as soon as I can, as soon as possible. Usually it's within 5 minutes. I reply, hey, yeah, I can get over there and get something done, because it's an emergency and it needs to get done, and it shows empathy towards your coworker, just letting them know that you care about them and you want to help them grow and succeed. So yeah, number 2, speed is everything. Actually, another example is, hey, someone pings you wanting to know an ETA on a feature. Same principle. You want to reply as soon as possible to build trust, to build respect with your fellow coworkers. You don't want to be that guy that always replies late or always makes commitments. Actually, this is going to be on the next tip, but always makes commitments but fail them. Let's go over that in the next tip. But yeah, number 3 is underpromise, overdeliver. Underpromise, overdeliver. The reason why this is also important, is because you do, like I said before, you do not want to be that guy that says that you'll get a feature done in 2 days, but it takes 4 days. What you want to do is you're going to want to say that it takes 5 days and then get it done in 2 to 3 days, and then deliver to them, because it will do is it will paint a picture that you are a reliable, responsible person. You're a reliable person for the company. And no one wants a person that's always tries to exceed expectations. Of course, you're going to, you want to do that, but if it means setting false promises, it's not going to work out for you. For example, someone pings you or asks you, hey, how long would it take to get a certain ticket done? What you're going to want to say is something basically what you're going to want to do is think how long it'll take for you to complete that task, and then add a day or 2. That's basically what you're going to want to do, because estimations are I've learned from experience from working my first internship back in not back in, but 2018, and then working this job for 8 months in 2019. I've learned that estimates, it's hard to make estimates. It's very, very hard to make estimates, and I should actually make another one for that. Yeah, whatever. We'll do that next video. But yeah, estimates are hard, so overestimate. Do not underestimate. So number 4 is to show empathy. Show empathy towards your coworkers. It doesn't matter which department, but the dev department is, most important because you're going to be working closely with them the most. So the reason why you are going to want to show empathy is because, hey, you do not want a toxic environment. You do not want people disliking you because you do not show empathy towards other people. Let's say, for example, like someone needs help on an issue. Um, be just like reach out, help, and kind of like help that person out. Or say if everyone's going out to lunch, go out to lunch with them. Or if there's a PR that someone needs to get done, and a PR that someone needs to get approved, and no one has approved it or reviewed it in like 2, 3, 4 hours, just go in and review the PR. Just like help people, basically help people, be empathetic towards people, don't be critical towards people, don't be toxic towards people, so on and so forth. Just be a quality human being towards your coworkers. So those are my 4 tips to make your life easier at work. Hope this helps you. I'm currently working on these. I'm pretty good at doing all of these, but I do want to get better. So, there's that. Hope you feel the same way. Talk to you next time.